Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide HUD in CSGO. Before we started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So to start with, you just want to click escape and head to your settings. Click on this game tab here and make sure this one game also. Let's look for this option, enable developer console. Now if you're new to the game, this will be set to no by default, so you just want to go ahead and select yes, and we can go back into our game. So to start with, you just want to head into your console and you want to type in sv_cheats1. This will allow cheats in your server and will allow you to add and do more things in your console. Now from here you want to open it again and type in cl_draw HUD, and by default it's to 1, which means it's on. We can set it to 0. Now this will remove everything including your crosshair. So you might want to play this, but it might be good for like some cinematic shots or some stuff like that. Now other command we can also do is just turn this back on. So in other command we can also do is let's just turn this back on. So in another command we can actually do is cl_draw only death notices, and we can set this to 1. Well, this will remove everything in your health, but it will keep you across there, and it will also keep the death notices. So if you go ahead and get a kill here or get killed, so as you can see, we can still see the kill feed in the top right corner and know what's going on. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.